Alright, just got my new JVC KW-M730BT installed, doubled in. This car had a doubled in it before, just a factory old unit, so took that out and just got this installed. So far it's pretty awesome. Tried out the Apple CarPlay, haven't tried the Android Auto yet, but Apple CarPlay seemed to work great. Tried a few things on Apple CarPlay, everything from Spotify and Pandora, everything worked great. Get this little menu that pops up every time. Just a basic radio screen. I don't have any of the apps hooked up. Bluetooth seems to auto connect pretty well to my iPhone. Don't have Sirius hooked up. Might install that later. I believe this says Travel Link, so I'd like to have that. But so far an awesome unit. Really liking the features. Have had several doubled in DVD players before, but this one definitely my favorite so far. I have a backup camera, haven't wired it in yet. That's going to be one of the next things I install in this vehicle. But yeah, this is just a little glance at it.